Today we're making creamy black truffle pasta. So of course we're going to start off with some boiling water, and I'm going to salt my water quite a bit because salt and the oil has properties that reduce the stickiness for the noodle. And these are the ingredients that we're going to be using for our sauce, and of course everything is non-dairy because your girl cannot have milk because my tummy will get upset. So for everybody that is lactose and can't have milk and things like that, this is for you. But you are more than welcome to use regular milk like normal people do. I combined my noodles, and this was about 2 cups of noodles and 4.5 cups of water. And then I combined everything in a separate pot for our sauce, all of our seasonings and things like that. I did use quite a bit of Parmesan because I wanted mine to be a little bit more cheesy. But of course, I always say that you can alter anything that you want in this recipe. And then lastly, I mixed in my black truffle paste. I just mixed that up and added my cooked pasta once it was done. And I turned the stove down to low just so we can make sure that everything was heated and melted together properly. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all, this was the creamiest, most tasty pasta. I think that this is a step up from the other one that I did, but tune in for part 2 on my YouTube channel to see how I added my Cajun steak to this pasta.